What is everyone? This is Multitutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the error Steam needs to be online to update. So let's get right into this. So if you're getting this error code, the easiest way to basically fix this is one of the things you can do is go to your search bar, type in CMD, run command prompt as administrator. In here, we're going to flush the DNS, which is going to be ipconfig space / flush DNS. So this is going to successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. This should be one of the first things you should do to see if this error goes away. If not, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to write network reset into our search bar to essentially get this page pop up, and we're going to do reset now. This is going to restart your PC, but this is going to basically reinstall all the network adapters and get rid of any like weird settings that you may have set up, or VPN, or whatever the case may be. If this also doesn't fix it, the last thing we're going to do is we're going to type in network connections into our search bar until you see this pop up. In here, you're going to right click into whatever you're connected into, so either Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and then go to properties. Then you want to click into where it says Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4 and click into properties, and you're going to change it from automatic to to basically manual. Use the following DNS server addresses and change it to 1.1.1.1 and alternate to 1.0.0.1. You're going to press OK. You're going to basically let this process run again, and you should be good to go and not have that error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys have a video, please thumbs up. Guys on the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell. I'm Multitutorials out. Peace.